a lack of worries allowing for expression and opportunity. You're open to the everything you want to do because you're free. You're free. You have freedom.
So, what is freedom? What is the essence of freedom? Freedom is an intrinsic and essential property of a person. This means that human person by nature is a free being and that it is in his or her nature distinct freedom. So, freedom is so an important indication of freedom is the ability to make choices or perform action. So, our freedom to act sets us apart from other beings. So let's compare how human person and animals behave to get a better understanding of freedom. So we see some animals behave